But the furry community deals with it in different ways. A lot of people, they raise their pitchforks and they remove those people, which when people do stuff like that, we do not accept it. It's something that doesn't make the furry fandom what it is. The furry fandom's just a bunch of people. It's not supposed to be a fetish. It's not supposed to be a sex thing. It's just supposed to be a community of people. So when people do those horrible things, it's something we do not want to deal with, and we just want to remove from our communities and our places where we're trying to relax and enjoy what we have.
Mm. And so really the only coping with any kind of harmful behavior is to ban and remove.
Ban and remove, and then some other individuals will create more legal action against those individuals to the extent of getting people arrested, which that's every community. No one wants pedophilic behavior. No one wants zoophilic behavior. We don't want anybody that's specifically here to harm others and other creatures.